Today we are making the perfect blend of nourishing and delicious cassava flour cranberry muffins with a boost of hemp seeds. Alright, let's get cooking. Welcome to Gaby U Healthy Kitchen. Let's get cooking and make something delicious. Here is an overview of the ingredients we are going to be using. I am using frozen cranberries, so I'm going to first just halve them. You can also use dry cranberries, that is an option. Now for the wet ingredients, you mix this in the bowl, add your favorite dairy-free milk, melted ghee butter, or you can also use coconut oil, maple syrup, and a splash of vanilla. Mix, and then add your eggs and whisk away till you are mixing it thoroughly. Mix it up, and just make sure that is done. And that one is over. Now let's start on the dry ingredients. Put in the cassava flour, which is naturally gluten-free and gut-friendly. Adding your baking soda, baking powder, sea salt, and a dash of cinnamon, as you have seen here. Mix it up again. And then combine that with your wet ingredients. The wet and the dry ingredients all together in this bowl. Mix until it's smooth. Now let's add the hemp seeds in here. I'm going to reserve a little bit for later. Mix it up. And then toss in a handful of your chocolate chips. This is a dairy-free chocolate chip. If you have nuts, this would be a good time to add the nuts. For this recipe today, you have an option to do that. And just mix it up all again. And time to add those lovely frozen cranberries. Fold those cranberries into the batter like I'm doing here. There we go. So the batter is kind of a little thick, so you can add a splash of more milk because the hemp seeds tends to soak up the moisture, so you probably need to add some more milk. Now mix all up, and yes, I think I'm liking this consistency. it's getting to the consistency that I like. Just mix it up. Look at that. It's not too thick, not too watery, just right. And if you are still watching, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, thanks. All right, now I'm going to spoon the batter into this muffin pan. This is a silicone type, so no need to line it. Just kind of fill each about 3/4 full. And here we go, just keep filling it up. And just a little more extra for a second pan. The other one filled 12 muffins in there, so I'm gonna use a little more extra here. And so now we just sprinkle a few hemp seeds on top for a pretty nutty finish. And here we go. Meanwhile, while I was doing all this, I had already started preheating the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put them in the oven so it can cook for 20 to 25 minutes until it's golden and the toothpick comes out clean. Here we are. Look at that. It looks like it's ready. So checking it to see if it comes out clean. Well, it looks like it is ready. So taking it out now, and I'm putting it on the rack to cool down. Just take all of them out right here. Look at it. And here we are. Your wholesome cranberry muffins are ready to nourish you from the inside out. And I'm ready to check it out. I'm ready to eat it. Look soft, moist. It's beautiful. Look at it. Yes. And that is it. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can never miss a new creation from my kitchen. See you next time. Bye.